Sit facing the screen, Logan 5. Identify. Logan 5. Do you identify this object?
Negative. Question, what is it?
That is the name of the object, Ankh. Do you identify this word, sanctuary?
Negative.
Sanctuary is a pre-catastrophe code word used for a place of immunity.
I don't understand.
The object Ankh has been identified with the code word sanctuary. The object and the word both relate to runners who have not been accounted for.
Question.
Hold. Unaccounted runners 1056. You may state your question.
1,056 unaccounted for?
The number is correct.
That's impossible. Question, maybe they weren't all runners. Maybe most of them reached life renewal on Carousel. Question, nobody reached renewal? But everybody believes that some...
The question has been answered, Logan 5.
You mean nobody's ever been renewed?
The question has been answered. You are authorized to penetrate city seals and search outside the dome.
The seals? Question, what seals? Outside? Well, there's nothing outside.
You will find sanctuary and destroy.
Question. What if I need help from another Sandman?
Negative. You will begin assignment by becoming a runner seeking sanctuary.
Question. I'm only Red 6 now. Well, how can I pretend that I'm approaching last day?
Identify.
Question. My life clock.
Retrogram complete. Proceed 03303.
But am I still Red 6? But I had 4 more years. I will get them back, won't I?
You will take the object Ankh with you for identification.
Question. Do I get my 4 years back?